Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add gift card on Starbucks app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Starbucks app and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, when you're on its home screen here, so underneath you'll see a tab called Pay. So simply click on the Pay tab. So when you get to Pay tab here, so on your top right there will be a plus icon for you to add. So simply click on Add, and then it's going to ask you to add your card details. So if you have a card, you can simply select already have a card, so simply select that. So when you select that here, this is going to open up my camera. My screen might black out due to privacy reasons, so you can just take a photo of your card or enter your card details manually, like the card number, security code, and all those information. So click on it and then hit on continue and just add it to your account. So once you've added to your account, that's it. Your card will be on your account, so you can use this card to make your purchases on Starbucks using your gift card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.